Good morning students. Today in this video you are going to learn about direct and indirect speech for interrogative sentences. By the end of this video you will be able to identify and differentiate between direct and indirect speech for interrogative sentences. Before beginning with the video, we will first learn the difference between two interrogative sentences. Type 1 starting with helping verb. He said to me, "Are you in the city?" Here, are is your helping verb. Type 2 starting with words indicating question. He said to me, "When are you coming back?" Here, when is your question word. Now, next comes your rules. If a direct speech is given in interrogative, then reporting verb will be changed accordingly, and if a question starts from some helping verb, then comma and inverted comma will be replaced by word if or whether, or if a question starts with some WH word, in that case comma and inverted comma will not be replaced by any conjunction. Let's learn first the difference between assertive and interrogative sentence. In case of assertive sentence, first comes our subject, then helping verb, then main verb, and at the end object. But in case of interrogative, first comes helping verb, then subject, then main verb, and at the end object and question mark. Raj is eating food is a simple statement, and is Raj eating food is your interrogative sentence.
We are now going to discuss in detail how to transform direct into indirect for interrogative sentences. We have discussed right now that interrogative sentences are of two types. One starts from WH word, second starts from some helping verb. If a question begins with WH words, in that case, comma and inverted comma will not be replaced by any word. But if your question starts from some helping verb, in that case, comma and inverted comma will be replaced by the word if. Now we will understand with the help of example. The first example. He said to me, "Where are you going?" He said to me, reporting verb. Where are you going, reported speech. He subject, so single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, so triple underline. It is a question, so said to will change into asked. He asked me, comma and inverted comma will not be replaced by any other word. Where will come here as it is. Now here where is used as conjunction. In the question, we know that first comes your helping verb, then your subject. But in your answer, as it is an assertive statement, so we will write first here our subject. You, second person according to object, so here you will change into I. Are refers to said is a past form of verb, so are will change into was. Going will come here as it is, so our answer will become he asked me where I was going, full stop. This is the second sentence. She said to me, "Are you going?" She said to me, reporting verb. Are you going, reported speech. She subject, so single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, triple underline. This question begins with helping verb, so comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. The answer will become she asked me if. First we will write now subject. You refers to me, so you will change into I, where I. Are refers to said is a past form of verb, so are will change into was. So our answer will become she asked me if I was going, at the end, full stop. Next we are going to discuss a few more examples of questions beginning with WH words. Now to the first sentence. The stranger said to me, comma, inverted comma begins, "What is your name?" The stranger said to me, reporting verb. What is your name, reported speech. Stranger subject, so single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, triple underline. Now here, said to will change into asked. So our answer will become the stranger asked me Now comma and inverted commas will not be replaced by any other word. What will be used here as the conjunction? Is your name. Your is your verb and your name is your subject. In questions, first come your verb and then your subject. But in the assertive sentences, first we will write here subject. Now your name, your is the second person. Second person is according to object. So here your name will change to my name. Now is referring to said. Said is a past form of verb. So is will change into was. So our answer will become, the stranger asked me what my name was. This is the second sentence. The mother said to me, where do you come from? The mother said to me, reporting verb. Where do you come from? Reported speech. Mother subject, so single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, triple underline. So our answer will become, the mother said to will change into ask. The mother asked me where. Where here will be used as conjunction. Where. Now see, do you come from? Here do come is your present form of verb and you here is your subject. Now in the assertive sentences we will write down first subject, you second person according to object. So here you will change into I. Do come is a present form of verb and as we know that V1 changes into V2, so do come will change into came, past form of verb. Where I came from will come here as it is. So a sentence will become, the mother asked me where I came from. See the third sentence. I said to him, why have you come back home? I said to him, reporting verb. Why have you come back home? Reported speech. I subject, so single underline. Said verb, double underline. Him object, so triple underline. Said to will change into asked. So our answer will become, I asked him. Why will come here as it is used as conjunction. Have come. Now first there will come our subject. You again referring to him, so you will change into he. Have is referring to said, so have will change into had. Why he had come back home. Full stop. Fourth sentence. He said to me, when did you take lunch? He said to me, reporting verb. When did you take lunch? Reported speech. He subject, single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, triple underline. Now he said to me will change into he asked me. When will come as it is. When. Did you take lunch? Here you is your subject. So first here we will write subject. You referring to me. So you will change into I. Now did take is your past form of verb and as we know that V2 will change into had plus V3. So did take here will change to had taken. When I had taken lunch at the end, full stop. The last sentence. Misha said to Raj, where do you live? Misha said to Raj, reporting verb. Where do you live? Reported speech. Misha subject, single underline. Said verb, double underline. Raj object, so triple underline. So answer will become, Misha asked Raj where. Now you here is a subject, so first we will write subject. You refers to Raj, so you will change into he. Do live is your present form of verb. So do live will change into lived. So our answer will become, Misha asked Raj where he lived.
Next, now we will discuss sentences beginning with helping verbs.
These sentences are the examples of the questions beginning with your helping verb. Now see the first sentence. He said to me, will you come in the party? He said to me, reporting verb. Will you come in the party? Reported speech. He subject, single underline. Said verb, double underline. Me object, so triple underline. Now here comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. So answer will become, he asked me if. Now will is a helping verb and you is your subject, but in the assertive sentences first we have to write subject. So here you refers to me, so you will be replaced by I. Will refers to said, and said is a past form of verb, so will change into would. So our answer will become, he asked me if I would come in the party at the end, full stop. The second sentence. My friend said to me, can you spare money? My friend said to me, reporting verb. Can you spare money, reported speech. My friend subject, said verb, and me is your object. So our answer will become, my friend asked me, comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. First we have to write subject and afterwards we have to write our verb. You here refers to me. Me is your first person, so you will change into I. Can will change into could. If I could spare money. At the end, full stop. The third sentence. The teacher said to Anu, have you found the mistake? Teacher subject single underline, said verb double underline, Anu object so triple underline. Now here our answer will become, the teacher asked Anu, comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. Now you again here refers to your Anu. Anu is your object. So you here will change to she. If she. Have here refers to said. So have will change into had. If she had found the mistake. At the end, full stop. Fourth sentence. She said to me, did you visit Mumbai? She said to me, reporting verb. Did you visit Mumbai, reported speech. She subject so single underline. Said verb double underline. Me object so triple underline. She said to me will change into she asked me, comma and inverted comma will be replaced by if. Now here you is your subject. You refers to me as you is your second person according to object. So you will change into I. Now here did visit is your past form of verb. So past form of verb will change into had plus V3. So our answer will become, she asked me if I had visited Mumbai. At the end, full stop. Last sentence. The teacher said to girls, have you done your work? The teacher said to girls, reporting verb. Have you done your work, reported speech. Teacher subject so single underline. Said verb double underline. Girls object so triple underline. Now here you and your both are your second person, refers to second person. So you and your refers to girls and have refers to said. So our answer will become, the teacher asked girls if. Now first we have to write our subject. Now you here refers to girls. Girls are plural, so you will change into they. If they. After they we have to write a verb. Have refers to said, so have will change into had. If they had done. Now your will change to their. If they had done their work. At the end, full stop.
I hope you all have understood the topic. Now, following these rules, do related back exercises of Chapter 18, Direct and Indirect Speech from your Basic English Grammar and Composition book, Class 6. Thank you.